Have you ever made the same mistake again and thought, this time, Allah won't forgive me? But then you felt a whisper in your heart, come back. I am still here. That's the mercy of AR-RAHEEM, the especially merciful. But how can his mercy change your life forever? Stay with me, because this might be the reminder your heart needs. Allah's mercy stays with you. When you fall, He lifts you. When you cry, He listens. Every tear you shed in sujood, every whispered dua, He was there. Because Allah never leaves those who seek Him. But what if you feel unworthy? What if your sins feel too heavy? Listen, His mercy is not waiting for you to be perfect. It's waiting for you to just turn back. So, begin. Say, Ya Allah, forgive me. Just whisper, Ya Ar-Rahim, have mercy on me. And watch how His mercy wraps around your heart. But what if today is your chance? Will you answer? Or let it slip away? If this touched your heart, it's not a coincidence. Ar-Rahim is calling you. For more videos, subscribe to Imanify, and let's strengthen our Iman together.